In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly sales report using Shopify. Now, creating detailed sales reports is essential for tracking the performance of your online business and gaining insights into your sales patterns. So, let's get started with a simple yet comprehensive way to generate those important reports. First, you'll need to open your web browser. It could be any browser you prefer: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, you name it. In the address bar, type Shopify and hit Enter. Once the search results appear, make sure to click on the official Shopify link to be directed to their website. Once you're on the Shopify site, the next step is to log into your account. Use your credentials to sign in, your username and password, just like you usually would. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone handy to complete the login process securely. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. From there, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu panel. You'll want to go to the Analytics section, and from there, select Reports. This is where all your store's analytical data is housed. Now, in the Reports section, you have a couple of options. You'll notice some default reports available for quick access. For instance, you can choose Total Sales if that suits your need. However, if you're looking to get more specific or to track a unique set of data, you might want to click on New Exploration to build a custom report that caters more directly to your needs. As you delve into the report settings, one key area to pay attention to is the Configuration panel. Within this panel, locate the option for the date range. This feature allows you to tailor your report to display data from the time period you are interested in analyzing. Select your desired month using the date range option. Typically, you might want to look at last month's data or perhaps another specific month that might be of interest. Once you've settled on the appropriate time span, don't forget to hit Apply. With the date range configured, go ahead and run the report. Shopify will then generate and display your monthly sales data right there on the screen. This data will give you clear insights into how your store performed over that particular month. Finally, once you're satisfied with your report, there are two things you can do to make it more useful in the future. You can save the report within Shopify for easy reference later, or you can export the data to a CSV file. This file type is great for opening in spreadsheet software like Excel, where you can manipulate the data further if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a monthly sales report in Shopify. By regularly analyzing these reports, you're arming yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.